Tractor number 22, you are supposed to be at the starting gate up here at the staging area. Tractor 22, come to the staging area immediately, please. Staging area. Ace Wingler, where you at, boy? Ace Wingler, sorry. Okay, girls, let's make way for Laura Lee out of Salem, Indiana. Come on, girls, stand up and holler for it, girls. Go down the track. Look at her, girls! Woo! Man, she just stowed the fuel that old sour, stowed the high torque at the same time. He's the one that had a little bit of a hitch problem a while ago. He went over and took care of it real quick. Hey, Buck, you don't mind closing the blinds a little bit? I can't hardly see down there. I'll close them here in a little bit. Just hang around. I couldn't find my hat. You want my new cap? I got a new cap I can't even wear. He got a heritage cap. Well, how come I didn't get no heritage cap, Buck? Because you're ugly, that's why. Yeah, you probably got that right. Okay, here comes Lucas Freer, Laconia, Indiana, now 4 to 6,000. That's what she told me when I interviewed her for this job that you got. Said the boy got the bad case for ugly, huh? Bad case, that's why she divorced him. He said, Lucas Freer right there, ladies and gentlemen, said if he wins tonight, he's going to paint his tractor. Well, okay, international hat. Okay, here's Alan Powell from LaGrange, Kentucky. He's a walking the dog. Yeah. All right. As far as she looks. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all ready to see some hot bad boy tractors? Yeah. As Buck says, I'm ready to kill some skeeters. You betcha. Western than now, mosquitoes. We got a lot of them here on the banks of the Indian Creek. This will be better than the flu virus shot. This looks like another 1206. Here we go! right there, bud. Got him right there. Okay, John Deere fans, you with me? We got to make it happen. Go get it there. .com. I guess y'all wrote that down, didn't you? Oh yeah, you done good. Greg Alper's coming up next from Evansville, Indiana, with his Alice Chamblers. Just blowing cash, he says. Just blowing cash. Got him right there. That was a good pull, huh? Another tractor had plenty of horsepower. Burger up there from Evansville, Indiana, with his John Deere. No name John Deere. Okay, John Deere friends, who's been hollering? Woo! What a fortune, you got him right there. Roberts is coming up next from Sullivan, Indiana. He's got banana peels in the rear end already. Okay, John Deere fans, look what we got here, another John